G'day, Misty Waters here. Recently, Paul Ryan was at the Ag-Quip Field Days on the Ryan NT site and caught up with Toby Croker from Emerald Hill, New South Wales. Toby recently purchased a full set of coil gauge wheels for his Excel disc planter.
I'm here with Toby Croker at the Ag-Quip Field Days. Toby bought our coil gauge wheels, our self-cleaning wheels this year, and he might say how he got on it. Handed over to him.
Yeah, thanks Paul. Yeah, we put the coil gauge wheels on this year on our single disc XL planter. We had the rubber depth gauge wheels on there previously. Found them excellent, especially in the wet going. We could get going days earlier than we could with the rubber ones, and also going through cotton trash. No worries at all there. We were wearing out the rubber depth gauge wheels in a few hundred hectares. The steel ones were going through the trash excellently, so got on really well with them. Thank you.
And what about the self-cleaning aspect? And I suppose you sort of mentioned that, but
yeah.
How did you find it keeping the disc clean and the emptying of the mud out to the spoke?
Yeah, unreal in the wet conditions, especially with the stubble. Previously with the rubber wheels, we'd be getting out every run in wet conditions, unblocking the units, whereas this one, the trash flow was great.
And would you recommend them?
Oh, I highly recommend them. Anyone that's wants to retrofit to their units that struggle getting through trash, highly recommend them.
Thanks, Toby. Well, there you have it, another successful upgrade with the Ryan NT coil gauge wheels. Until next time, bye for now.